How to private your Facebook account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can set your Facebook account to private account. Now, as you know, Facebook has lately rolled out a feature to lock your profile. Now, it's similar to Instagram private account or Twitter private profile. Similarly, if you lock your profile, your profile will be private or your account will be private, and anyone else except your friends won't be able to view your locked account. Now, how to lock your account or how to set your account to private. To do so, first open up the app. Now, if you head into your profile here, I'll just head into my profile here quickly. You can see I've locked my profile. You have locked your profile showing up here on my profile. Now, to lock your profile, what you want to do is simply tap on the three horizontal lines icon at the top right corner just below the messaging icon. And here, what you want to do is head into settings. And once in settings, if you scroll down below under audience and visibility, you'll find the option profile locking. What you want to do is simply lock it from here. Now you'll get the lock option instead of unlock option on the screen that you can see if you haven't locked your account. And once you do this, anyone else except your friends won't be able to view your profile or what you have posted or your profile contents. So this way you can set your account to private on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.